I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper Diwali wall hanging. So as you know, as many of you guys know, Diwali festival, the festival of Diwali is coming up, and many of you guys have requested me to post Diwali videos in my channel. So I've started posting some videos. So I've already posted many Diwali crafts on my channel, so you guys can visit my Diwali playlist if you want. So this is a really easy cute Diwali craft and easy Diya wall hanging as well. And this is a Diwali cute wall hanging, and you can decorate it using you can stick it all around your house, and it's also be really cute home decor as well. So this can be used for any other occasions. It's not just for Diwali. You can just use it as a really cute home decor for different festivals as well. So without any further delay, let's get started, and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy cute Diwali home decor and home decoration idea. So for this one, I just used red color paper for doing the bottom part of the Diya. So if you guys want, you can even use different ones. So as you see, this is kind of nice and big, and you can just make like many of these, and you can hang it all around your house, and like when you enter a room, you can just hang it at the doorsteps as well. So for this one, I'm going to be using green now. If you guys want, you can use red or any other colors. So first is that I'm going to be taking green color paper, and I'm going to be cutting it into 4 parts because we're going to be making 4 diyas like this for the bottom part. So I'm just going to be taking 4 because I don't want to make it too big. So for example, if you're going to be sticking in a small door, I'm going to be sticking these 4 diyas in one side and the other 4 in the other side. So if you guys want to make like 10, 15 or anything, until like you can make it like as the size of your door, it's according to your wish. You can do it in any size you like, or I'm just going to be making 4 just like a craft. So if you're going to be using it, you can make many more, like how much ever you want. So first step is I'm going to be taking one piece from the 4 pieces we cut out, and we're just going to be folding it like this in one side. Now we're going to be turning this, and we're going to be folding it again like this. So we're just going to be folding it and turning it to the opposite side, and we're going to be folding it like this. So this is the same step as making like a Japanese fan. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a easy Japanese fan. You guys can visit that video if you like. So we're going to be taking the same step. So now I'm going to be taking the other pieces as well, and I'm going to be taking the same step. So this is just a really easy way of making Diya. So if you guys feel like this is hard, you can visit my Japanese fan videos and other crafts as well to make it easier. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking the same step in all the 4 pieces. So you can do this, you can stop the video, or you can pre-forward the video and see if you want more clarity in it. So you guys can pause the video and do all the diyas you need. If you want, you can hang it in your door, like an outside door. You can make like about 15 or 20, or until the door is over, like from the top to bottom. So this is going to be a really easy, cute home decor idea, and you don't have to go and buy in this store for Diwali decorations as well. And you could even make it in any bigger size. So I'm just going to be taking a small part from like a quarter A4 sheet in green color. So if you guys want, you can take like a whole A4 sheet, and you can cut it in 4 and use it. It's according to your wish. You can do it in any size you like. So the next step is that we're going to be taking this piece, and we're going to be folding it in half like this. So I'm just going to be pressing on it like this. So now we have this piece. So I'm just going to be repeating the same step, and I'm going to be folding all the pieces we had into 2 parts, so that in half. So if you have many pieces, you can fold each of them in half. So next step is that I'm taking a glue bottle. So I'm going to be using Fevicol. So please do not use glue gun or anything, because it won't work well. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue in this piece slowly like this. And now I'm going to be taking this piece and sticking it together. So if you see the video of making a Japanese fan, we did like this. So we fold it in half, and you can just do it in some fan videos. You can even leave it as it is, but if you want to make it in a bigger size, you can do it. So for the Japanese fan, we did the same step. So if you guys want to see that video for more clarity, as I said. So now I'm just going to be folding this paper in half, and now I'm going to be gluing all the pieces we had like this. So now as you see, they'll be coming up into an opening environment. So I'm just going to be opening them like this, and I'm going to be keeping them. So you guys can press it, then you can open it. So as you see, they'll come nicely. So I'm just going to be opening it slowly like this. So I'm just going to be opening all of them like this. So you guys should give it some time so that it opens up. So I'm just going to be pushing it like this, and I'm going to be opening it. And we're going to be taking the same step on this side of paper as well. So please try to stick it nice and well, so that after you open it, it'll be really nice. So if you guys want some parts, this top parts might even come off like this. You guys can apply glue in the center, and you could stick it if you want. So I'm just going to be opening it, and I'm placing them on top of each other, and we're going to be giving them some time to dry. So you just open it up, and you can just leave it and go, and after 5 minutes or so, you can come and get it. So after that, we're going to be keeping this aside, and now we're going to be doing the top part of the Diya. So for that, I'm going to be taking an yellow piece of paper like this, and I'm going to be folding it into 4 pieces like this. So now I'm going to be cutting out a easy diya. So if you guys want, you can use a pencil to draw the diya, or a pen or a marker, but I'm good at cutting, so I'm just going to be cutting it as it is. So I'm just going to be cutting this diya. So I'm just going to be cutting like a small semicircular shape over here and the same shape over here. So if you guys want, you can fold the paper in half and cut it. Like for example, just cut it, fold it and cut it so that you get the same shape on both the sides of the diya. So now I just cut it, and now we have a diya. So it's kind of connected. So I'm just going to be pushing it and taking them into separate pieces. So now we're just going to be sticking them on the top part of the diya like this. So now our pieces have dried quite. So I'm just going to be applying some glue over here on this part, and I'm going to be sticking the top part of the diya to it like this. So now we're just going to be placing it like this, and I'm going to be repeating the same step for all the small diyas we made. So as I said, you can leave some time until it's dry, because if you stick it in the same time, it will be not sticking properly. And one more thing is that, as you see, mine are quite small. It's like in a Japanese fan shape, and as you see in this one, for this diya, it's kind of big. So if you guys want, you can make like you can do the diya in kind of bigger shape, and you could just like stick as you saw how to make the Japanese fan-ish look. You guys can do that step. Then you could stick one more. You can make one more piece like that, and you can stick it so that you get like in a bigger piece, and it won't be like in a triangular shape. So now after we complete this, we'll be having 4 small diyas that we already made. So if you guys want, you can leave it like this, but I'm going to be sticking one more orange layer inside of it to make it more realistic. So I'm just going to be taking an orange paper, and I'm going to be folding it in 4 pieces, in half, and one more half, and one more time. So we're just going to be repeating the same steps. So we're going to be cutting out a small flame for the candle for the diya. So as I said, it's not compulsory to do it. If you want, you can do it. I'm just doing it so that it will be more realistic and the diya will be more cute. So I'm going to be applying some glue on top of this yellow piece of paper like this, and over here as well. So if you guys do not have enough color paper, you don't have to do this. Just a simple decoration idea, so that will be more cute while you stick it all around your walls. And now I'm just going to be sticking this. So if you guys want, if you have like any other decoration items like gems or anything, you can even use that to do it. It's not compulsory you have to use other papers. So I'm not putting any gems or anything, because I don't want it to make like I don't want it to make be too fancy. If you guys want, you can put other decorations and other decoration items and gems, color papers, stones, or glitter or anything else to make it more beautiful. So after you stick it, just make it, double check that it sticks properly. So now our 4 diyas are ready. So now we're going to be sticking them in a single piece of paper. So I'm just going to be taking like a cream colored rectangular piece of strip from creamy color A4 sheet. So if you want, you don't have this color, you can take any color that matches with the diya you made, or if you want, you can color it in an A4 sheet. So next step is I always going to be cutting off the edges, and you can keep it in the correct size. And now I'm going to be applying some glue at the bottom part of this paper, and I'm going to be sticking this first diya over here at the bottom part. Now I'm going to be applying some glue from the little bit top from that part, and now we're going to be sticking the second diya over here. So now we're just going to be opening it, and we're going to be applying glue over here again, and we're going to be sticking the next one like this. Now I'm going to be applying glue one more time over here, and I'm going to be sticking it. So as you see, some of the diyas might come off like this, so you should apply and double check with glue so that it sticks properly. So now we've stuck it, and our diya wall hanging is ready. So one more thing is that if you guys want, you can just like apply tape over here on this top part, and you can just tape it, and you can stick it on the wall. But if you wanted to make it like more creative or something, you can just make like stick 2 ends of a paper. Like you can just stick this end, and you can just stick on both the sides like this, and you can just stick one end like this or the top part like this, and you can hang it on the wall as well, because sometimes if you stick tape, the paint and everything comes off from the wall, and your parents might scold you. So that's why I'm saying this. So if you feel like the glue is not sticking properly, and as you see if it's like shaking like this, you could just turn the diya to the opposite side, and you could stick it with tape. So I'm just going to be taking some normal tape, and you can just stick it on the back part to just cover it. Like since the back part won't be seen any properly, you could just stick tape at the back so that it's more secure. So for example, if your diya comes off, you can just use tape. So I'm just going to be cutting out a small piece of tape like this, and I'm going to be sticking it at the back part over here. And I'm going to be taking a few more pieces of tape slowly like this, and I'm going to be sticking them on the back parts like this. So this is just for security. So if you don't want to do it, you can don't have to. It's not compulsory, because sometimes if you stick it outside your house, small children might try to take them out, and they might accidentally take it off and clip it off. So that's why we're going to be doing this extra safety thing. But if you're going to stick it inside your house and your house is safe, then you don't have to put this in case someone knocks it down. So now we're just going to be cutting off the excess pieces like this, and we're going to be sticking them on the other pieces as well. So as I said, you guys can decorate it using anything you like. So many of you guys will make it simple. Since it's just for a video, I'm making it simple. You guys can really put more decoration and you can put more effort into it and do it for a better output. So I'm just going to be sticking this over here on this top part as well. So if you want, just leave some space. Now I'm turning it. So just leave some space at the top part so that you can hang it. If you like keep it full, then you won't be able to have a space to hang it. So now the Diya wall hanging is ready. So this is a really easy and cute Diwali decor. So before that, I'm just going to be taking a black board marker and I'm going to be putting small dots over here. I'm just going to put in like small dots. It's not compulsory to do this. I'm just going to be doing it since I want to make it like I'm not willing to put any gems because I don't want to make it too decorative or fancy. So that's why I'm keeping this dots for decoration. So after we complete this, our really easy Diwali wall hanging is ready. So you guys can use it to decorate your house. It's a really easy, cute wall decor, home decor, and you can use it for different festivals. So as you see, they both look the same and they're also really cute. So you can do it in any color you like, and you can hang it in your walls and everything to make a really cute Diwali. So I wish you all very happy Diwali and a really happy festival of lights. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. If you want me to post more Diwali craft, don't forget to comment in the comment box below. And if you have any doubts on my channel, you can also comment that, and I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.